Hello students, today we have to start here nature of roots of a quadratic equation. Okay. In earlier video we had already prepared that or learned that how to solve the quadratic equation by using the formula method and factorization. So now we have to learn here or we have to understand here the natures of the roots. The roots value of the roots are the real numbers or equal or not equal or not real numbers. So what is the nature of that roots we will discuss this topic here. Okay. So when we talk about the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation, first of all we know that how to find out the roots by using this formula. Okay, by using this formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So by using this one, we have to find out the roots. Are the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard format or standard form of the quadratic equation. So for solving or finding the roots of this quadratic equation with the help of formula, then we have to use this one. That is x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. So when we talk about the natures of the roots, we have to find out the three cases. In first case, what we have to do here? We have to observe this value. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then what happens? Then x is equal to minus b plus minus. Instead of this bracket, we have to put in root 0. Why? Because the value of b square minus 4ac is 0. So root 0 upon 2a. So how to get the roots? We have to get the two roots for positive and for negative. So x is equal to minus b plus root 0 upon 2a, or x is equal to minus b minus 0 upon 2a. Okay. So this root 0 is 0, root 0 is 0 here. Okay. So the nature of this case is what? Nature of the roots of this case is what? The roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. Okay. We have to get the roots in the nature of real and equal, where b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay, this should be remembered. When b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we have to get the roots real and equal. Okay. Now for next case, that is case number 2. What we have to do here? That is, we have to consider the b square minus 4ac which is greater than 0. Okay. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, then we have to get these two roots, that is for plus and for minus. So when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the nature of roots is equal to what? Real and unequal. The roots of the quadratic equations are real and unequal. Okay, we will discuss these cases with the help of some examples. Okay, just we have to learn about this one. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then nature of roots is what? Real and unequal. Okay, what we have to do in first case? If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, and in next case b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, and for third case we have to consider that b square minus 4ac which is less than 0. So when we talk about the less than 0, so whatever the value of this one, this is not a real number. Okay, when we have to get like this situation, then value of this x is not a real number, so that the roots of the quadratic equation are not real. Okay, we have to calculate the roots of that case is what? It is not a real number. Clear? So for solving this or find out the natures of the roots, which formula we have to use? Basically that is b square minus 4ac. Which formula we have to use? B square minus 4ac. So the nature of the roots of quadratic equation is determined by the value of b square minus 4ac. Means by using this value, we have to say that the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. So this b square minus 4ac is called as the discriminant. Okay, this b square minus 4ac is called as the discriminant, and it is denoted by the Greek letter, that is delta. Okay, it is denoted by the Greek letter, that is delta. So what we have to study up to this point, we have to study the three cases, okay, when we talk about the natures of the roots of quadratic equation. In first case, what we have to do, we have to consider b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then our roots is what? Real and equal. And in second case, what we have to do, b square minus 4ac, which is greater than 0, then our roots is real and unequal. In third case, b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then our roots is what? Not a real. So for finding the nature of the roots, we have to consider only one formula, that is b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac, it also called as a discriminant. Discriminant, and it is denoted by the Greek letter, that is delta. Okay. So we have to start here for solving some problems based on these concepts, nature of the roots. So I hope you have to understand up to this point. So if you have to write this, take the screenshot of it. Now we have to solve some examples based on this topic. So we have to discuss here question number 1. Find the value of the discriminant of the equation x square plus 10x minus 7 is equal to 0. We have to find the value of what? Discriminant. So for finding the value of discriminant, we have to compare this given equation to a standard form of the quadratic equation. So compare x square plus 10x minus 7 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then what we have to get? We get a is equal to what? 1. B is equal to 10. Then c is equal to minus 7. So when we talk about the discriminant, which formula we have to use? That is b square minus 4ac. This b square minus 4ac is called as the discriminant. So put the value, that is b value is 10. So 10 square minus 4, what is the a? 1. What is the c? Minus 7. So calculate what is the 10 square here? 100. Minus 4 into 1? 4. Okay? 4 into minus 7 is there. 4 7s are 28. So minus 4 into minus 7, that is plus 28. Then what you have to get? 1, 2, 8 is your value of your discriminant. Okay? Okay? So this is your final answer. Clear? So now next we have to calculate, or next we have to solve some examples based on the find out the natures of the quadratic equation. So next question, determine nature of roots. Determine nature of roots of quadratic equation. Of quadratic equation. So from this we have to solve the first question, that is 2x square minus 5x plus 7. 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, we have to find out the nature of the root cell. So how to find out this? So first of all, find the value of a, b, c here. So how to find out? We have to compare given equation, that is 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then what is the value of a? That is 2. B minus 5 and c, that is 7. So for finding the nature of the roots, we have to find out the first discriminant value. That means we have to find out here b square minus 4ac. Okay. So put the value b is what? Minus 5 square. Minus 4a is 2. And c is 7. So for minus 5 square is it? Plus 25. Minus 4 to the 8. And 7 is there. Then 25 minus 8 into 7, that is 56. Then what is the remaining here? 25 minus 56, it is the minus 31. Minus 31. So just observe the value of b square minus 4ac. So it is the minus 31. So which is less than what? 0. Or we have to write down b square minus 4ac as d also because it represents the delta. Okay. So what we have to write? B square minus 4ac is less than 0. Okay, that means b square minus 4ac value is minus 31 and minus 31 which is less than 0. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then what happens? The roots of the given equation is not real. Therefore, the roots of given quadratic equation are not real. Are not real. Why? Because this minus 31 is less than 0. Clear? So now next we have to solve the next example. If I write this, take a screenshot of it and do this side. Next example, second one. X square plus 2x minus 9. X square plus 2x minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. So first step is what? Compare x square plus 2x minus 9 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then what we have to get? A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 9. After that, calculate the value of b square minus 4ac. So put the value of b, that is 2 square minus 4, a value is 1, c value is minus 9. Okay. Now calculate the square, that is 4 minus 4 into 1, 4 minus 9. Then 4 minus 4 into minus 9, that is plus 36. Okay. So 4 plus 36, that means 40 is there. So just observe here, what is the value of b square minus 4ac? It is a plus, that means it is greater than 0. Okay. If the discriminant value is greater than 0, then what happens? The roots of the given equation are real and unequal. Okay. Therefore, roots of equation are real and unequal. Are real and unequal. Okay. Now next question we have to solve, that is the third one. If you have write this, take the screenshot of it. Now I have to erase this part. Root 3x square plus third one. Root 3x square plus 2 root 3x. 2 root 3x plus root 3 is equal to 0. Root 3 is equal to 0. So how to solve this? First of all, compare this equation. Compare root 3x square plus 2 root 3x plus root 3 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then a is equal to what? Root 3. B is equal to 2 root 3. And c is equal to root 3. Okay? You have to get this value a, b and c. Now calculate the value of b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. Put the value of b, that is 2 root 3 whole square minus 4, a value is root 3, c value is root 3. Now 2 square 4, square root of 3 and this square, that means 3. Clear? Minus 4, root 3 into root 3, that is 3 itself. Then what happened? 4 into 3, 12. Minus 4 into 3, 12. So 12 minus 12, that is 0. So what we have to get? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If the discriminant value is equal to 0, then your given roots are what? Real and equal. Therefore, roots of equation are real and equal. Real and equal. So in this way, we have to solve the questions based on the natures of roots. Lastly, we have to conclude here. I have to erase this part. B square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. Okay, and if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then your roots is what? Your roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then your roots is what? Greater than 0 means your roots is real and unequal. Real and unequal. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then roots are not real. Roots are not real. These are the roots. Nature of the root. Okay. So just you have to remember these 3 basic concepts, and then you are able to solve the questions very easily. Okay. So now we have to stop here. I hope you have to understand from this video. So please like it, subscribe it, and share with your friends. Thank you, students.